How to make underground techno. First, let's set the tempo to 140 BPM and start with a heavy kick like this from a sample pack. I'll add a tiny bit of delay to this and use EQ to dip some highs. Then some closed hi-hats. Some open hi-hats. Some claps. Some percussion. And some shakers. Now let's link all of them to a mixer channel and take off the lows and add some distortion to make them sound noisier. There's some crashes. And some rides at the halfway point of the drop. Guys, if you're interested in these samples, they're from a sample pack Infinity Group. It contains more than 400 drum samples, including kicks, claps, hi-hats, snares, shakers, percussion, loops, and more. These drums work with any genre, for example, techno, house. So if you're interested in these samples, make sure to check it out using the link in the description. Then I'll add a simple vocal loop.
Different.
And moving on to the bass, let's first create a rumble by linking the kick to a parallel channel and adding reverb with a high cut around 150 Hz. And I'll also sidechain this to the kick using a limiter. Next, I'll add a deep synth bass. I'll sidechain this Now we need a big airy lead. I sidechain this using shaper box. Then cut the lows and saturate the highs. Then we need some pads for tension. I just sidechain this. Now that the drop's done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. I'll start with the kick and the vocals. And after 8 bars, I'll add some percussion and some closed hi-hats. Moving on to the build-up, I'll keep the kick and create a high-pass automation to get rid of the lows. Then let's add the lead and the shakers. And let's use a cutoff filter to introduce the lead. And I'll disable the sidechain here. Then let's add some build-up drums. Some rises. And some downlifters. Now let's duplicate this and change the second half by rearranging some of the drums. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.